Hi, I'm Mahalakshmi. Today we are going to make a clay mask for sensitive skin. This clay mask consists of rose clay, kaolin clay and calamine powder. Clay masks help in absorbing oil and dirt from the skin, reducing the chance of acne and clogged pores. This mask also contains some herbal powders like anantamul powder, wild turmeric and sandalwood powder, which are helpful in evening the skin tone and reducing the pigmentation. I have also included oatmeal powder which exfoliates the skin lightly. Also included ascorbic acid for some vitamin C antioxidant properties. This clay mask needs to be stored in an airtight container because it can degrade with the light and air exposure. I will put a photo of before and after applying this face mask. So let's see how to make this clay mask. To make this clay mask, we would need rose clay of 3 grams, calamine clay of 2 grams, kaolin clay of 1 gram, sandalwood powder of 1 gram. The next one are anantamul powder of 0.3 grams, wild turmeric of 0.2 grams, oatmeal powder of 2 grams and ascorbic acid of 0.5 grams. This is a quick and easy mask which anyone can make. We'll pour all the ingredients in a beaker. If you want, you can use a sieve. Now we'll mix everything properly. Now the last one is ascorbic acid. Don't leave it for a long time because ascorbic acid oxidizes with the temperature and light, so quickly mix it and pack it. Now it's the time to pack. And that's how easy it is to make a clay mask. If you like the video, please hit like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.